Ready?
She's like, the first thing you need to do is a 25% water change and put extra salt in it because your salinity is way too low. So we need to do that first. It's at least like 9.5 gallons of water needs to be put in with extra salt. She said to test the water that we're getting ready to put in, and the salinity in the water needs to be at least 1.03 when we're putting it in. She's like, and that'll help bring it
Child,
up.
that's an emergency, guys.
Until we get it where it needs to be, we'll just keep adding.
No voice for some reason.
She's like, once that gets up where it needs to be, she said, then we'll worry about the next step. But
that's hilarious.
that we definitely need
It was only at the first minute.
because our
Please subscribe, guys. And EAS experience. If you heard the Amber Alert, let's make a video for it.
is like way too hot.
That started even before
Yep, there's a tornado warning. Oh, there it is. National Weather Service. What? Woohoo, the emergency alert system! Let me just call the CIS too. So now I call the CIS too. Wait. Is the tornado warning still here?
Locations Brown, Monroe, and Morgan County until 7:45. The rotation with this cell did weaken substantially as it moved to the south and east. However, because we did have a report of a potential tornado on the ground, I have not gotten any confirmation of this, but it is coming from Skywarn, folks that know how to spot tornadoes. It says right along 37, very close.
This is getting a scare. This is turning into a scary night for Bloomington. That's what I would say.
County. North of Bloomington, you are not under this tornado warning, but if you are in the extreme northeastern part of the county, you need to be seeking shelter. And if you're in Brown County, especially the northwestern corner, this is where you need to be concerned. Nashville, at this point, you are not under the warning. However, keep in mind, if this cell continues and we have
Coming up, a look at your local radar. But first, the current local conditions.
severe thunderstorm warning.
Yep.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Brownsburg, or 12 miles northwest of Indianapolis, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Fishers, Lawrence, Brownsburg, Beech Grove, Speedway, Avon, Cumberland, Meridian Hills, Warren Park, Claremont, Rocky Ripple, Williams Creek, Windale, Spring Hill, Crow's Nest, North Crow's Nest, Monument Circle, Indiana State Fairgrounds, and Castleton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 108 and 127, Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 202, Interstate 70 between mile markers 75 and 93, Interstate 74 between mile markers 65 and 97. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana.
Ooh, we missed it. It was severe thunderstorm extinction.
With light rain. And now a special weather statement for the following counties in Indiana: Delaware, Henry, Madison,
That's us.
Randolph. Cold air funnels possible today. Generally, funnel clouds develop and occur in conjunction with conditions that produce severe thunderstorms. An entirely different condition prevails across central Indiana today. There is little potential for severe thunderstorms. Research studies of funnel cloud occurrences indicate that a different type of funnel cloud forms when weather conditions are similar to those of today. These are called cold air funnels and are
There's
not as
right now
violent as
one
those
in our
associated
county.
with warm and humid conditions. Cold air funnels are associated with thunderstorms that form in deep, cold core, large-scale low-pressure systems. These funnel clouds are smooth and narrow. Their parent thunderstorms are not particularly dull or intense. These funnel clouds normally protrude a few hundred feet downward from the parent clouds, rotate or
As
spin
you
like a
can
top,
tell,
and
this
last
is
a
my
few
first
minutes
or
before
third con
dissipating.
on
In rare cases, when their circulation
EAS
streaks the
12
ground,
and 3
cold air funnels
basically.
cause only minor damage. More reports of small funnel clouds are possible over central Indiana today. Warnings will be issued if any of them touch the ground.
This is an oil hazards radio KJY 93